Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic definitive asset estimate. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management, PMI or PMBOK, project management body of knowledge. We will see today with this topic in detail that what is definitive estimate and what is its importance in PMI or project management body of knowledge. Friend, let me tell you that if you are a student and studying project management, or you are planning to give exam of project management in a university, or especially you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this topic of definitive estimate is very important, and you will definitely see this topic in exam. What is definitive estimate? Also, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so again as a project manager you have to estimate the project. Estimation means in terms of cost, in terms of time. So as a project manager, your planning skills should be very good, and you know that planning is based on estimates. Estimate means the estimates for time and cost. So your estimation skills should be very good if you want to become a very good project manager. So friend, this video can be helpful for you if you are a student and studying project management in university or preparing for PMP exam. Also, if you are a professional project manager and you are managing projects, so again this video can be very helpful for you. So friend, we will see this topic in detail and definitive estimate. Friend, the purpose of making this video is that I want to make a video in a very simple and very easy to understand manner so that everyone can understand the topic in a very simple way, very easy to understand way. I just want to make a video in a very simple and easy to understand way, and just want to share my thoughts and my experience with you. Maybe this can be helpful for you in your student life, in your professional life. So if you think that this video adds some value in your life, either it's a student life, either it's a professional life, so kindly share it with your friends and colleagues. And so so let's start the video. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Friend, what is definitive estimate? This term definitive estimate is based on two words: definitive, estimate. Friend, if I ask from you that what is an estimate, what do you think that what is an estimate? Just think for a moment. What is an estimate? Think that you want to build a house. So what are the most common questions you will definitely ask from your constructor? You will ask from the constructor that how much time, how much months is required to build the house, and how much cost is required to build the house. So your constructor maybe say, just an example, that he may say that the house will be built in 5 months with $50,000 cost, for example. See, the constructor which he is telling you, what is this thing, the 5 months and $50,000 cost? Basically he is giving you an estimate. Basically he is giving you an estimate, and based on the estimate you can get an idea that how much cost is required and how much time is required, and based on that estimate you can track the progress as well when the in actual the execution or building of house will start. Okay, so that is called the concept of estimate. It basically gives you an idea in terms of time, in terms of cost, that how much time is required and how much cost is required. So this is called the concept of estimate. Now coming towards our main topic, definitive estimate. Friend, definitive estimate is something in project management. A definitive estimate is as good as it gets. There is always the possibility of some variance from the estimate, but definitive estimates are -5% to +10% accurate. See, this was only just a definition. See friend, here, whenever we are starting a project, for example, you have to build an e-commerce solution for a customer. So customer will ask from you that how much time or cost is required to build the e-commerce solution. You may say that 5 months are required and $5,000 would be the cost. But how will you calculate that how much time is needed and how much cost is needed? What will be the criteria at which you will base all these things? See friend, here the definitive estimate concept based on that you must have to drill down the project into small pieces of work packages, or you can say the task at which you can estimate the work. For example, you can say, let's assume that definitive estimate means that if you want to build an e-commerce solution, so first of all, how you will drill down the things? You will say that software development will be involved, then development software, then the testing, then the user acceptance will occur, and then the production deployment. For example, you can drill down the project like that. In software development, you need, for example, 1 month. uh, Quality assurance, you need 2 weeks. User acceptance testing needs 2 weeks, and then production deployment needs, for example, 3 weeks. And as a whole, so similarly you will estimate the cost as well for each work package here. So friend, in that way, when you drill down the package, when you drill down the project, you can get the definitive estimate. Definitive estimate means that it's a very good estimate. It's a very appropriate estimate for a project. Why? Because you are estimating the things at a very drill down level, at a very ground level. So that is why you get the estimate very good. However, there are some variation, your variance or some level of accuracy, some level of inaccuracy may occur, and the level of inaccuracy is -5 to +10%. Okay, -5 to +10% is the level of inaccuracy here. That means that whatever you are estimating, there are chances that -5 to +10%, there are chances that there may be some variation. Are you getting my point? For example, if you are estimating that within 5 months you will complete the e-commerce solution, so you can calculate the range that -5% to +10%, like plus minus here may occur in the estimates. For example, for in terms of time, in terms of cost, and so there are variance may occur, or some inaccuracy may occur. The range is -5 to +10%. Here friend, just remember one thing when we talk about definitive estimate. This is very important, that definitive estimate is very good, very appropriate as compared to other comparison or other estimates. Why? Because the thing is that you are your estimates are based on detail level analysis, detail level drill downing, and after drill down level at which you can estimate the task, you calculate the estimate. So definitive estimates are more accurate, more appropriate, and more reliable as compared to any other estimates which we are calculating, which we are estimating. So whenever we talk about estimation of a project, this is more appropriate, this is more accurate to go for definitive estimate. However, remember one thing, that definitive estimates requires more time as well, because the detailed analysis and detailed working is required. However, the definitive estimate takes more time, but they are more accurate and more appropriate as compared to other estimates. Now I can give you a very simple example of definitive estimate, that prior to any significant analysis we developed a ROM. ROM means, what is ROM? ROM means rough order magnitude. Rough order magnitude that the project would cost 1.5 million. However, as we developed the WBS means work breakdown structure, and were able to put cost estimates to each work package, the definitive estimate was 1.375 million. See friend, whenever we are starting a project, we take input from technical team or the domain experts. So the estimates which we get at that moment when we are signing a contract, when we are initiating a project, So at that moment of time we don't have the detail of work available, detail analysis are not available. So due to that reason we take just an input from experts, from domain experts, that how much time is needed, how much cost will be required. So that is called the ROM, or rough order magnitude. This is called the rough order magnitude, and there are high level of chances that minus 50 to plus 50%, there are high chances that there are inaccuracy. Why inaccuracy? Because it doesn't based on drill down level or detail analysis. It is just a like we are comparing the project with other historical projects, or our previous knowledge or previous projects which we have done in past, we estimate the things. So that is called the concept of ROM here. Now when we talk about definitive estimate, what we do in definitive estimate, we drill down the project into very small pieces of work at the level which we can estimate. So that is called the work package. So work package, when we talk about a work package, we drill downing the project at that level we can estimate the things. So the definitive estimates based on detail analysis, based on work breakdown or structure, so it is more accurate, more appropriate, and more beneficial for a project. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. I have tried my level best to explain you the concept of definitive estimate in a very simple and easy to understand manner. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you. Thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.